welcome to the Laurier MacDonald Career Center open house. What a great day here at the Broad Prairie campus.
Hi, my name is Peter Duchone. I'm the hairdressing teacher at the Laurier MacDonald campus in Chantalon.
All right, and how long have you been teaching here?
Oh my God, so many years. I've lost count, but I've got the passion. I still in me. I got the fire, and it's just fun having these kids come in, willing to learn, and we just have a great center, great products that we work with, high-end products from all kinds of different companies that we work with. So it's just an amazing feat for these young kids to come in and do what they want to do, train hairdressing.
That's fantastic. And I know I've seen your good work over the years. I never got my hair done here yet, but
You should come, Mike.
But you know what? I'm going to come and get my hair cut done for sure. So here we have, what's your name? I'm looking at your name tag, but I'm not going to guess it.
It's Alexia.
Okay,
I'm
Alexia.
one of the aesthetic students.
Okay, so what year are you in?
Well, I'm started in August, so I'm going to be done this August coming. So I'm
Okay.
pretty much done. I did the whole program.
Okay.
Not much left, but we did a lot. We learned about facials, manis, pedis, makeup, which is really interesting and really fun because we got to use really good products. So we get a good feel of what it's like out there.
All right. And where were you doing before you registered here?
I was a college student and I didn't know what I was doing, and I figured let me come here, get trained, and at least get certified for something. And I really like it. I developed a passion for it.
That's fantastic. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Brianna, and I'm a barbering student and former hairdressing student.
Okay.
I started barbering in November, and I'm graduating in like 10 days.
Wow.
Yeah. So I'm really excited. I want to evolve my hairdressing stuff with also different many stuff. So I work full time right now, and I'm really excited to graduate and start my whole life. I'm very happy with what I decided to come here to school. I really do a bigger passion for this career and this life. And yeah.
That's great. That's great. And who is this young man?
Hi, my name is Tyson, and I'm in the auto mechanics course.
I somehow guessed it.
Yeah.
That's what you were. So tell me, how long have you been in the auto mechanics?
So I think we're coming up in about 7 or 8 months now out of the 18-month program. So it's still beginning, but it's still learning a lot. So
Okay. And what were you doing before this?
so before I just finished high school and pretty much came right into here. So my dream is to become a firefighter and then work as a mechanic on the side as well.
Oh wow. So what do you think of the program?
Amazing. Honestly, it's really amazing. There's nothing that you won't learn here that you can apply yourself. So I mean, I feel more than comfortable working on my own car, working on family, friends' cars. They really teach you everything top to bottom that you need to know.